Dila gad unta ta magbinugo ba. Sobra ta kaing plastic Ako from the time that my sister is an issue or bipso ninyo. Wa gid ko mangayo og pabor kang kinsaman. Buhi pa man si Dr. Hinson, I never ask favor na irregular ang akong sister. She is a civil service eligible. I supposed to file case against all the administrator of BIPSO because she was not able to be regularized in spite that she is a professional. She's been in the service for quite a long time. Sige daw. And you give her an award. So she's qualified to be regularized. Tanungin ko, pila kadili eligibles nga inyong gipantagaan og plantilla position? I ask this, and I will show you guys. I will show you guys for abuse of authority and discretions. Abusado mong dagko. Now, I'll scratch your back fully with all the required legal aspects necessary. Galing nyo mang release og transcript of records og diploma. So, sana sagrados yaan. Wearing an academic gown is a sacred pinaghirapan supposed to be. May-ari na biliran without any hesitation she release. Then let us face in court. Tingnan natin ito mga pinaggagawa ninyo.